Good morning students. Welcome to our class of statistics. This is our fourth class. In this class we will discuss how to construct cumulative frequency polygons or OGIVE. I am Dharmendra Kumar Mahapatra, TGT Mathematics, DAV VIS International School, Lanjigarh. So today we will discuss cumulative frequency polygon curve or OGIVE. There are two types of cumulative frequency polygon curve, or you can say OGIVE. First one is less than type OGIVE and second one is more than type OGIVE. First of all, we will discuss less than type OGIVE. Drawing a less than type cumulative frequency polygon graph or OGIVE. How we can draw a less than type polygon, cumulative frequency polygon or OGIVE. So as I already told, before going to solve any problem, we have to divide the problem into some steps. That is called algorithm, or you can say working rule. Here I have divided the whole work into two parts. First one is preparing a less than cumulative frequency table. Clear? And the second one is construction of the curve or construction of OGIVE. So I have divided it into two parts. First one is preparing a less than cumulative frequency table. And the second one is construction of cumulative frequency polygon or OGIVE. Now look at the first one, preparing a less than cumulative table. Start with the upper limit. Please remember, we will start with the upper limit. It is very important. While you are finding or preparing a less than cumulative table, you will start from the upper limit of each class intervals and add the class frequencies to obtain the cumulative frequency distribution. Then what we will do? We will add the frequencies of each class to get the cumulative frequency distribution. Now we will discuss about the second part, that is construction of cumulative frequency polygon or OGIVE. Take a graph paper, because we need a graph paper to draw the curve. Mark upper class limits along x-axis and cumulative frequency along y-axis with suitable scale. Okay? Then plot the points xi, fi. It is very important to know xi and fi. What is xi? Xi is the upper class limit and fi is the corresponding cumulative frequency. So abscissa should be the upper class limit and the ordinate will be the corresponding cumulative frequency. Then join the points obtained in step 2. That means in step 2 we have plot the points. We will join these points by a free hand to get the less than cumulative frequency polygon curve. Now I will discuss it by an example. Example 1. Draw a less than type cumulative frequency curve of the following distribution, hence find its median. This part we will discuss later. First, now I am discussing about how to draw a less than type cumulative frequency curve by OGIVE. Look at the question. Classes and frequencies are given. Here classes are named as marks and frequency number of students. So just I will make a table. Now you see, this is our question. Class interval or marks, number of students or frequencies. Then look how I will make, how I will prepare a less than type. This is the less than type cumulative frequency table. Cumulative frequency table. As I have already told, step number 1, I will start with the higher limits. Look at the class. What are the higher limits? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. These are the upper limits or higher limits. I will start from here. So I will write less than 10 since it is a less than type CF. I will write less than. So less than 10. Why 10? 10 is the higher limit. Similarly, less than 20 because 20 is the upper limit or higher limit. Similarly, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60. Now, how I will find CF? The first frequency is 7, it will be remain 7. That means less than 10. So, less than 10 means 0 to 10. So, the observations which are less than 10, that means there will be in between 0 to 10. So, frequency will be 7. Now, less than 20, what is its meaning? Less than 20 means 10 to 20 as well as 0 to 10. That means if I will say less than 20, I have to count the number of frequencies from 0 to 20. That means 0 to 10, 7 and 10 to 20, 10. So, the total number of students which are in between 0 to 20 or you can say less than 20 will be 7 plus 10 equal to 17. Similarly, less than 30. Less than 30 means 0 to 30. That means all these three frequencies will be added. So 7 plus 10 plus 23. So 7 plus 10 we have already added 17. So 17 plus 23 will be 40. By the same way, less than 40, 40 plus 51 equal to 91. Then less than 50, 40 plus 6. 91 plus 6 equal to 97 and at last less than 60 equal to 97 plus 3 equal to 100. By this way, you will first prepare the less than type cumulative frequency table. Now what you will do? You have to take the points. These points you will require for the construction of the ogive. What are the points? Look at just here the corresponding higher limit and the corresponding cumulative frequency. This is the upper limit. It is xi. And this is the cumulative frequency. This is fi. So I have to take the point xi, fi. That means the coordinates of the points 10, 7, 20, 17, 30, 40, 40, 91, 50, 97, 60, 100. So you can see I have written, I have to plot these points 10, 7, 20, 17, 30, 40, 40, 91, 50, 97 and 60, 100. I will plot these points on a graph paper. Look at the graph paper. So this is the graph paper. I have already taken marks on x-axis, number of students on y-axis, and here I have marked the upper limits of the classes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and here the number of students. Have you remembered what is the highest number of students? Total number of students? Total number of students is 100. That's why I have to take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So here I will write on x equal to 10 small divisions, and on y-axis 10 students equal to 10 small divisions. That means in x-axis I will take 10 difference, 10 marks, 10 small division, and on y-axis 10 students, 10 small divisions. Now I have to plot the points. Next graph. You can see if I will plot the points as I have already derived in the previous page. First point is 10, 7. So this is 10, 7. I know you all know how to plot points. So 10, 7. This is the point 10, 7. Here this is 20, 17. This is 30, 40. This is 40, 91. This is 50, 97. And this is 60, 100. Now we will join these points by a freehand. Freehand means without using scale. Just join like this. Clear? Now you got the graph of the frequency, the cumulative frequency of less than type. That means it is a less than type ogive. Now, how to find median? How to find median? This is the important thing. Here, number of students equal to 100. So I will find n by 2. So n by 2 equal to 100 by 2 equal to 50. 100 by 2 equal to 50. Now I will again go to the graph. Just here, you see, I will search where is 50 on y-axis. On y-axis, I will search where is 50. So here it is 50. Then what I will do? I will draw a line parallel with x-axis. X-axis. This is x-axis. So I will draw a line parallel with x-axis. And I will see where it touches the ogive. It is touching the ogive in this point. And if I draw a perpendicular on x-axis from this point, definitely I can see it is touching the x-axis at 32. So the coordinates of this point is 32, 50. 32, 50. And what is the abscissa? Abscissa is 32. So this abscissa is the median of this distribution. So how you write? Finding median from the ogive, n by 2 equal to 50. On y-axis, find 50 and draw a line parallel to x-axis. Abscissa of the point where it intersects the ogive is 32 because the point was, have you remembered? It is 32, 50. So what is the abscissa? Abscissa is 32. So the median will be 32. Okay. Now there are some questions for you. You can see, draw a less than type cumulative frequency curve of the following distribution, hence find its median. Here also you have to draw a less than type cumulative frequency curve and find its median. Thank you.